Formula One is the pinnacle of motorsports, a global spectacle that showcases the best drivers and cutting-edge technology. But is the F1 Academy the future of motorsports? In this video, we'll explore how the F1 Academy is shaping the future of racing for women and why it might be the key to the sport's evolution. The F1 Academy, launched in 2023 by Formula One, is a groundbreaking motor racing series dedicated to nurturing and promoting female talent, aimed at bridging the gap between junior categories and professional motorsport. The F1 Academy provides young female drivers with access to top-notch racing facilities, coaching, and competitive environments. Through a series of races with identical cars, the focus remains on pure driver skill. Comprehensive support, including training and mentorship, prepares these athletes for higher levels of racing. Ultimately, the F1 Academy aspires to elevate female drivers to the heights of motorsport, including Formula One, while inspiring future generations and fostering greater gender diversity in the sport. One of the primary goals of the F1 Academy is to address the accessibility issues in motorsports for women. Historically, the high costs associated with karting and junior formulas have been significant barriers for many talented individuals. The F1 Academy provides scholarships, sponsorships, and development programs to help bridge this gap, ensuring that talent, not financial backing, is the key determinant of success. Technology and innovation are at the heart of Formula One, and the F1 Academy leverages this to train the next generation of female drivers. The Academy uses state-of-the-art simulators, data analysis tools, and cutting-edge research facilities. This not only prepares drivers for the physical and technical demands of racing, but also immerses them in the technological ecosystem that defines modern motorsports. In addition to developing drivers, the F1 Academy places a strong emphasis on diversity and inclusion within motorsports. The goal is to create opportunities for women from various backgrounds, ensuring that Formula One reflects the global nature of its audience. Initiatives include targeted outreach programs, partnerships with the educational institutions, and mentorship schemes designed to foster a more inclusive environment. Moreover, the F1 Academy is not just about the drivers. It also covers other critical aspects of motorsports, such as engineering, team management, and race strategy. By offering comprehensive training and real-world experience, the Academy aims to develop well-rounded professionals who can contribute to all facets of a racing team. One of the most exciting aspects of the F1 Academy is its potential to drive technological innovation. By fostering a culture of research and development, the Academy encourages young engineers, including women, to push the boundaries of what's possible. This, in turn, can lead to advancements that benefit the entire sport, from safety improvements to performance enhancements. The impact of the F1 Academy is already being felt, with graduates beginning to make their mark in various motorsport disciplines. In 2024, the F1 Academy grid features an impressive lineup of drivers. Bianca Bustamante, a 19-year-old from the Philippines, competes for Art Grand Prix. With the support of her team and McLaren, Abby Pulling, representing the United Kingdom at age 21, races with Rodin Motorsport, backed by her team and Alpine. Also from the United Kingdom, Jessica Edgar, 19, is part of the Rodin Motorsport team. Emily de Huys, a 21-year-old from the Netherlands, drives for MP Motorsport. Representing the UAE, Hamda Al-Kubaisi, 21, is with MP Motorsport, alongside her 24-year-old sister, Amna Al-Kubaisi. Hamda is supported by Red Bull Racing, while Amna is backed by RB. Nerea Marti, from Spain, aged 22, competes for Campos Racing. Joining her at Campos Racing is 25-year-old Carrie Schreiner from Germany, supported by Sauber, and Chloe Chambers, a 20-year-old from the USA, backed by Haas. Lola Lovin-Foss, a 19-year-old from France, is also part of Rodin Motorsport. Aurelia Nobles, a 17-year-old from Brazil, and Leah Block, a 17-year-old from the USA, race for Art Grand Prix. Leah is supported by Williams. Representing Prema Racing are 17-year-old Tina Hausmann from Switzerland, backed by Aston Martin, 20-year-old Dorian Pin from France, supported by Mercedes, and 20-year-old Maya Woog from the Netherlands, backed by Ferrari. The wildcard entries include Rima Jufeli and Courtney Crone. So, is the F1 Academy the future of motorsports? The answer is a resounding yes. By making the sport more accessible, diverse, and innovative, the F1 Academy is laying the groundwork for a new era of racing. It's not just about finding the next Lewis Hamilton or Max Verstappen. It's about transforming the entire ecosystem to ensure a vibrant and sustainable future for Formula One and motorsports as a whole. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content on the exciting world of Formula One. Until next time, keep your engines running and your passion for racing alive.